I just finished this vintage, circa early 1970s Reuge singing birdcage. Really colorful, bright red bird. The cage is in really nice condition, still has a lot of luster and warmth to the gold gilt cage. There's just one tiny little ding right on the edge of the lip right here. It's not readily noticeable, but I want to point it out for full disclosure. So I fully serviced the mechanism, so everything was cleaned and lubricated and adjusted, and the bird sings very, very well. Let's hear it play, and we'll start off on the pause feature, which is the first setting. Nice long pause indicating that the bellows are in excellent condition. Let's switch to continuous. As the bird opens and closes her beak, flaps her tail, rotates her head, and also rotates her entire body, all the while singing a beautiful bird song, hitting all of the proper oscillating notes, yet the mechanism runs smoothly and quietly. I'll turn it off. And that's just the air escaping through the bellows when I turned it off. So, actually through the whistle, not the bellows. In summary, a vintage Reuge singing birdcage in really nice cosmetic condition and also very good mechanical condition. Take care.